Cedar Creek Falls is one of Mount Tamborine's most popular tourist attractions, with stunning views over the open canyon, waterfall, and rock pools. Located in Tamborine National Park, a 1-hour drive from Brisbane CBD, Cedar Creek Falls is a must-do when visiting the region, especially in the warmer months when the temperature is several degrees cooler on the mountain. Sitting at the base of Mount Tamborine, near Thunderbird Park, visitors can enjoy a picnic beside the creek with tables and barbecues provided before venturing further. A short stroll, 500 meters from the car park and picnic area, a flat bitumen track leads to a lookout over the gorge, falls, and rock pools. This section of the track is suitable for strollers and wheelchairs. From here, the track continues down into the gorge, zigzagging through eucalypt forest and dry rainforest, before reaching 3 rock pools. Climb over the rock face and take a dip in the refreshing icy cold water. Popular with locals and tourists alike, these swimming holes, the only ones on the mountain, are well worth the 900-meter trek. Need to know: the car park at Cedar Creek Falls is small, so go early to get a good park.